The meme orange presents. Math means 4. Arithmetic is hard. No. Arithmetic is easy. Arithmetic is hard. E in English. E in physics. E in maths. R to the power of n. Compactness. Infinity. Bad student. I have a point. Smart students. We have a line. Mathematics requires a small dose. Not of genius, but of an imaginative freedom which, in a larger dose, would be insanity. The thing asked to imagine. Q brute or something. I don't know, I'm not good at math. Newton invented gravity. I sleep. Newton invented calculus. Wilsht. Why don't we have capital and lowercase numbers? Cheap. Sheer cheap. Stokes theorem. School maths. 1 + 1 = 2. I'm about to end this man's whole career. How Presh Tal Walker thinks job interviews at Amazon work. I hate math motherfuckers when they start to notice the cool patterns and applications within math and they use a pencil, paper and calculator to write out math problems instead of trying to do it all in their head. I get it now. 1 + 2 + 3 + 4 + equals -1/12. Ramanujan calculated it. 1 + 1 = window. A to the power of 2 + b to the power of 2 = a + b to the power of 2. dy divided by dx equals y divided by x. -1/12. Math teacher. No, you can't use a calculator. You aren't always going to have a calculator on you when you grow up. Partisan politics is like infinity. Anything plus infinity equals infinity. Anything plus politics equals politics. How it actually is. How I actually draw. Few people know this, but the tiny pocket on your jeans is for second-rank contravariant Cartesian tensors. Newton in physics. Newton in math. Car salesman. Slaps roof of set theory. This boy can fit all countably infinite sets. I'm quick at math. Okay, what's 28 × 76? 24. That's not even close. But it was quick. C² = a² + b² - 2 times ab cosine c. I'm not as strong as you. C² = a² + b². No. You're stronger. Not gonna lie, I don't know what this even is. Someone smart comment what the f this meme means. Xbox. Ybox. Y equals Xbox. Y equals x² box. Y equals x³ box. Y equals e to the power of Xbox. Y equals sin Xbox. X minus h to the power of 2 plus y minus k to the power of 2 equals r to the power of 2 box. X to the power of 4 minus y to the power of 4 equals xy box. Sin x. Cos x. Tan x. Constant. X to the power of 0. D over dx. How the government calculates the taxes you owe them. 248 + 208 = 4416. Which side are you on? Median. Mean. When there is no equivalent martingale measure. Invest. If you break the laws of man, you go to prison. If you break the laws of God, you go to hell. If you break the laws of physics, you go to Sweden and get a Nobel Prize. God is dead and the most efficient way to pack 17 squares into a square killed him. I'm a sample. No over-distribution of ID samples tends towards the standard normal distribution. I'm a sample. The world if the derivative of this is equal to SGNX. Biologist. cells multiply by dividing. Mathematicians. Hyper-Webster. Also Hyper-Webster. Two wrongs don't make a right, motherfuckers, when I multiply two negative numbers. Therapist. Z isn't real. It can't hurt you. Z. Say the line parabola jack. I'm ahead of the curve. I love this little fella. M. It will never contain itself. Me spamming L'Hopital's rule on every limits question I see. I don't know, it's only applicable to 0 over 0 and infinity over infinity forms. We did it. We topology traveled. But to what surface? Let me ask that guy over there. Hey. Does Santa live in the North or South Pole? Aren't they the same? We are in RP squared. The only realistic problem in my calculus book. Math book. Maths. My introverted ass when someone says, be there or be square. I see this as an absolute minimum. Most people rejected his message. Math helps us have better problem solving skills for daily life and it'll benefit us for the future. Shut up. They hated Jesus because he told them the truth. I'm magnitude of the velocity vector. Velocity. Force. 3 stages of life. 1. Early life. 2. Abstract algebra. 3. Death. I hope somebody gets this one. It's more efficient. 5-year-old me about to divide by 0. Well, I'll show them I don't need to stick to their rules based on cavemen superstition. Can be mistaken for an X. Can be mistaken for a decimal separator. Too cumbersome. Slows down writing. Human imagination has no limits, motherfuckers, when I tell them to imagine a set with cardinality greater than the naturals but less than the reals. Calculus students deciding which test to use on their series. Root test. Absolute convergence. Divergence test. Comparison test. Integral test. P-series. Telescoping series. Alternating series test. Ratio test. Limit comparison test. Rationalizing in calculus. Useful for integration. Rationalizing in algebra. Why are we learning this? Which side are you on? It's beautiful. I've looked at this for 5 hours now. I may be dense, but you can still count on me. Mathematicians. Complex limit problems. L'Hopital rule. What is 1 plus 1? The idiot. I dunno. The normal. 2. The joker. 11. The guy who learns computer science. 10. Me trying to put units in my answer after not showing any of them in my work. Which side are you on? Definitions in statistics. Remarks. It's a triangle duh. But my right angle congruence theorem. It's a triangle duh. Linear algebra students. Det A not equal to 0. The matrix A is non-singular. When you waste over 7 hours on a stupid math problem only to find out the answer was in front of you the whole time. Square root of 49. Nibber put the Nike logo on some numbers and expects me to answer it. Who wants to learn calculus? Who wants to learn remainder estimates and approximations? Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, I can see that. What the f? Kiki. Bobber. Me getting good grades in math. Cosine rule. You have a test on integrals. Panic. It was fine. Calm. You forgot plus C. Panic. How the f does Velma not know what the quadratic equation is but Peppa Pig does? I fear no man. But that thing. Lagrange error bound. It scares me. Snow on my balcony melts faster where the tile corners meet. It's because the corners are 90 degrees. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more memes. Thanks for watching.